In the sacred folds of eastern Bhutan, where clouds whisper to the peaks and the mountains cradle the silence of centuries, a journey begins. From Trashigang town to Kangpur, we traveled for nearly 4 hours, winding through dense forests rich with life and the cool breath of pines. We paused at Karungla Pass under Kalingyawok for traveling for almost 3 hours, where clouds and the warmth meet at Dragoban Cafe, a mountaintop retreat offering comfort, coffee, and a view wrapped in peace. Our journey brings us to the heart of Kangpur, a land steeped in quiet reverence, where every hill, trail, and a whisper of wind carries the weight of stories untold. This place, timeless and serene, holds a sacred stillness, untouched by the rush of the world. Before we begin the trail to Chenla, we have spent the day exploring Kangpur itself.
Semjin sugi tende jeni ebe nam de sugar na miju duktoki miju rimba ni macheba beta to sense kondi sugi da sinbe khora kunge sugi jubda de khoragi sunkobzeru de khoragi de namnige de centobzeru hansin khoragi sokibe namnamge ani
Kangpur Gemba, the sacred seat of Drupthop Dongharinchen, popularly known as Drupthop Khije, holds a steep spiritual legacy. The very name Kangpur traces back to his return from Bodh Gaya in India, bringing with him the imprints of Lord Buddha's footprint. He carved them into the stone here at the Hermitage. The sacred marks remain at the heart of Kangpur, connecting the land of lineage and the faith and the timeless devotion. Today, Kangpur Gemba holds some of the most treasured relics of Drupthop Khije, kept safe across generations and honored as a part of living spiritual heritage of this land. Lamai Gemba stands as a revered center of spiritual practice and heritage. Founded in 1932 by Lama Melam Rapsang, a spiritual master celebrated for his deep wisdom and artistic legacy, this monastery is much more than a place of worship. It holds the region's most sacred relics, drawing pilgrims and scholars from afar. Our journey begins at Shinangjilu, the starting point of 7-hour trek along the Chenla Trail, leading us to the sacred site of Nechin Chenla. Located at Trebucheok under Kangpur Gewok, Trashigang, the trail winds through remote highland terrain, which is profoundly beautiful. Chenla is believed to have been blessed by Guru Rinpoche himself and holds deep spiritual resonance, especially through its connection to the great Drupthop Dongharinchen. Revered as a reflection of Sangdo Pelri, Guru Rinpoche's pure land, this sacred site offers not only solitude but spiritual refuge for all who reach it. The Chenla Mule track and the guest houses are currently under progress through collaborative effort initiated by Trashigang Dzongkhag administration with funding support from the JEF project. Locals say that there are more than 170 sacred sites scattered across Chenla, each one believed to have been blessed by Guru Rinpoche himself. It is said that the great Drupthop Dongharinchen meditated here. There is even a stone where he believed to have sat and held a conversation with Guru Rinpoche, making this place not only sacred but deeply alive with spiritual presence. For the night, we rested at Chenla Bay's guest house, simple, quiet, and filled with the air of something profoundly sacred. The next morning, we set out early, chasing the first light of the day. It is believed that with the rising sun, the truly fortunate may witness a sacred vision and appearance of Guru Rinpoche and the golden rays. After a quiet morning beneath the unfolding sky, we continued our journey exploring more of Chenla's sacred landscape. Each step led us to a hidden corner where stories lingered in stone and wind. These were not just places, but a living footprints of the devotion, with each side holding its own sacred weight. At the peak stood the Chenla Padang, a sight revered by many, perched above the world. It felt untouched by time.